part 2 of checking the garden because I apparently talk a lot. So this one we're going outside for. And you can see I've got my cucumbers. Notice how the labels are still, yes, baby, I see you. Notice how the labels are still here because my daughter can't get to these ones. Gotta love dollars. Yes, I think what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna take the trellis from this and I'm gonna put it in here because obviously this was just a makeshift situation. I wasn't sure if she was gonna survive, and she is thriving. Thriving. Here we have some of the biggest leaves that I think any of my plants have, but there's not a lot of flowering or anything, but I do see some stuff going on there, so I'm hopeful. And should I trim back some of those leaves? I'm thinking I should, but let me know what I should do in the comments. I think this one was a butternut squash, if that helps at all. Again, we're making do with what I had. Not doing well here. Not doing well. Not doing terribly, but also not doing the best. This was just kind of an experiment. I wanted to see if they were going to grow well outside or if they needed to be on the patio. In all honesty, I feel like the ones on the patio are doing better than the ones that are getting the adequate amount of sunlight that they're supposed to have. But I don't know. This is my first time growing food, so time will tell if we get any harvest from this. Also, somebody requested a video of me repotting this and breaking it up into more plants and getting some of the babies out. So we will be doing a video on that sometime this week. So I'll look forward to that, I guess. Later, guys.